up to Loudie Shop, man. That's how you open up Pack a Puff Performance.
With these little niggas on like hop out to that strike, I'm out to chase these niggas down. Drop a dish that make me crash, check this go, you niggas down. Nigga strike is hot as hell, I'm finna get it gone. Fucking hit that nigga down. My niggas sober all day, don't want to pay. Some niggas life, nigga with the chain, nigga. If I was with them niggas on that skid, I would've flame niggas. Other Draco make them bag. 5 by 6.
What's the deal to the cmblilfraent gang? I'm back with another YouTube video today, man. We gotta do some mechanic work on the Hellcat mount, say scat pack. The Hellcat. Anyways, man, we gotta do some work on this car. So right now, we're heading up to Loudie Shop, man, because I need to change my brakes on my car. And Bobby got the brakes that I need. Now, shout out to Bobby giving me some ceramic pads and shit. W-Mans in the comment section below, know what I'm saying? But he up there right now. So right now I'm finna stop to get some tacos real quick for they Bobby and Loudie and shit, and then we gonna pull up on them. So let's get to the taco place. But first let me get y'all a pool and shit. So I got a mod for y'all too. Stay tuned for that. A big upgrade, you know what I'm saying? We'll be trying to go crazy for y'all, man. Make sure y'all subscribe and watch the videos, bro. They'll be on no lame shit. No, click on the video, bro. Watch the video, gang. I'm about to push this bit though. F the traffic though. Yo. Woo! Get through that traffic, huh? Woo! Yeah! Bruh. That's how you open up Pack a Puff Performance. You pull up a Pack a Puff Performance, now so you be. Oh, there you go, tight shit. That's how you walk, that's how you open up Pack a Puff Performance and shit. What up though, shit? Where them tacos at, girl? I text you, they was closed, nigga. Out of all days, on God. Out of all days, they wanna be closed and shit, for real. Like, what bad? This nigga go half open the gate. Y'all lame as hell. No, the one we go to is closed, on God. Alright, open that bit, bro. No, so that's how you unlock Pack a Puff Performance. They want to do break tacos and shit. That place was closed and shit. For real, but before y'all get into our YouTube video, man, shout out to my guys at Lasfit Auto Lighting. They lights is crazy. I just wanted to do an update review on this, so I'm about to show y'all guys right now.
I'm about to just talk, nigga. I ain't playing.
Slow down this shit.
Every time, nigga. Every time, nigga, you be on that line shit. Every time, nigga, I be on that grind shit. Baby hit the road, straight to Cleveland on some brown shit. Brown skin, pretty, she beyond thick. Talk to the Lord, he didn't tell me it's my time then. Stack my money, build some shit that I can climb in.
As y'all can see, man, it's nighttime. I drove in a dark area on purpose just to show you how good these lights is. So I'm gonna turn off these lights. As y'all know, my windshield is heavily tinted. So this is with the tint on the windshield, y'all. Look, regular headlights, high beams. Regular headlights, high beams. Here's the outside view. Regular headlights, high beams. And this is the regular lights. Look at the high beams again. Very good product, I would recommend. The link for this product will be in the description below. Very good product. I will 100% recommend this product. At nighttime, the lights are flawless, bright. That's exactly what you can get at Lasfit Auto Lighting, man. They get you right, man. Their Instagram is gonna be right here. Make sure y'all go support them and their high quality LED bulbs. What you doing? Oh, you beating his shit, cuz. Talk about. Nah, so you see, that's how you open up Pack a Puff Performance. You pull up, hitting the motor and shit, they automatically know what it is and shit, for real. What the you looking at this shit? Why they go Bobby doing some crazy shit though? I ain't even gonna show y'all what he doing, you feel me? Y'all go to Shifty B lame ass channel on God and shit. Lame ass nigga, big ass head ass nigga, small head ass nigga. So y'all go check out his channel, see what he did and shit, some shit. But right now we finna change the brakes on my car, so I got a mod in and I ain't got time for all this brake dust, bro. This brake dust is crazy. Look. That's wild. Hey, cuz, don't interrupt seeing me gang, cuz. You think shit a game through this? said, hey, cuz, don't be doing that, cuz. I really get like that, cuz. You heard that bit, cuz? You heard the motor in that bit? By that shit, I ain't mad at it. We gotta change the brake shot, like I said. Look at this brake dust on this bit. I'm tired of this. Like, this is very unacceptable. It's dirty. I don't like my car to be dirty. I'm an old head when it comes to my car. I like for everything to be clean and shit. The back cool though. But look at my back rim, y'all. I don't know how this even happened, cuz. I got a big ass slit in my shit. See? Too much horsepower. Too much horsepower. Can't even control and shit.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
I'm gonna get y'all when we start doing something to this bit. Make sure y'all come grab y'all kill switches, goddamn, whatever you need. We finna invade his truck and shit, looking for the springs and shit. I mean, not springs, pad. I think they look like they in here on some shit. I don't know. Buddy got all types of. Buddy rich as hell. It's these?
Them OEM ones. You want OEM ones?
Is they ceramic? All of them? I want the ceramic ones, gang. I ain't gonna lie. I just want the ceramic ones. Yeah, do them take ceramic?
Yeah, it's ceramic.
I don't give a f about the OEMs. I just want ceramic. Front
ones.
I don't need the back ones. My back one's smooth. Nigga, my back ones still look brand new. Like, the back brakes barely wear it down. And I don't need to change ceramic for that because it barely get brake dust back here. Yeah. I don't care for that shit. It's just the front. All right, y'all, we finna get the taking the wheels off, jack this bit up. Ooh, that bit look tough. Anyway, man, about to jack the car up real quick. Oh, cuz, that bitch went all the way under the car. Where it go?
My tire.
Where?
Grab it from this side. I gotta hold that bit like these or some shit.
Hell yeah, cuz. Finna get that bit right, cuz.
Never really gave a fuck about their opinion.
My heart is gold, I don't deserve this shit no more. Popping my shit for the attention you don't show. If I go broke, then I'll be back to kick a dough. I'm the boss, baby, you ain't around, so you don't know. Back on my shit, I bounce right back from losing hope. I know a nigga up for real, but he don't show. Me and cash, I might just put down on the road.
Alright, y'all, so we gonna start with the driver's side. So I can see, man, we got the brakes exposed. Look how f***ing low my brakes is, cuz. I'm about to down there hit the rotor, but what y'all wanna do is hit these out with a, I forgot what these called, know what I'm saying? Hit that bitch out, boom. This one, boom. Take off this bolt right here. And these come right out, know what I'm saying? So I'm about to do that.
Me and cash, I come across, we gon' be straight. Soon as I get a check, I'm going to move away. Different location, I'm relaxing where I stay.
Alright, y'all. So now what y'all wanna do is, after you get all that stuff off, I'll take a flight hit in between the rotor and the pad, like pry it so I could push back the little pistons in the caliper. Just like something, put it right up in here, just like this, and just pry it. But I pry towards the brake pad because I'm not gonna use it no more. So this is what I do. You get a hammer, you can hit this in, and then just pry it, see? Then it's gonna be more wiggly.
Oh, you turn, I'm still turning up my safe, Fell back from all that shit, I need some space,
Alright, y'all, so this is a comparison of the new ones. Look at the new ones. And the old ones, gang. God damn, twin. Ceramic, non-ceramic, weak ass pads. Alright, so we about to go ahead and start a new pads.
Fell back from all that shit, Fell back from all that shit, 50 was fake,
Alright, y'all, so we got the pads in. Now we're gonna put the new hardware on. Short piece on top, long piece at the bottom.
Man, feel bad for that shit. I've been living different life.
Now, we just installed this piece right here. You put it in through this side. If I don't want to go in there, just tack it a little bit. Just like that. Y'all see we got new hardware in. You put it in this pin right here, hit it from the back. This pin right here, hit it from the back. Put this in from the front. Put the bolt on the other side, which is right here, so we got the bolt. It in a little bit, you don't want to strip it, so y'all can put some WD-40 on here when you're doing these type of things. Grab this, grab the socket for this. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a 12 or 13 or 11. One on. Tighten it up. Boom. This side is complete. New pads on. We green. Other side, I won't show y'all. I'm gonna do it off camera because it's literally the exact same thing. Pads is only like 10-20 minutes to take off. It just take me longer because I vlog for y'all guys. But pads are not hard to do, they easy, just like so. Got a new pads on, you feel me? So I'm finna get started with the other side and I get back to y'all when I'm done with the full car, you feel me? Alright y'all, I just had to turn back on the camera to tell y'all the actual size for this bolt right here is a 13mm socket, you feel me? So y'all won't be complaining in the comments and I gave y'all some wrong information. So y'all watch the video, y'all pay attention. That is a 13mm socket to take off the little brace for the brake pads. Putting brakes on is fairly easy, you feel me? I just ain't fucking I had the right socket and shit. But this shit really didn't take like tops 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying, for both sides. Got everything, you know what I'm saying? But I'll be recording, so it take me longer and shit. So I can take y'all step by step. But man, we got the pads on, you know what I'm saying? New hardware on, y'all can see, man. Yes. Huh? No.
Oh my God!
I ain't had no grease, cuz. No, I don't think so. No, ain't no grease in here, cuz. I'm supposed to put grease on the back of the pad and shit. I know and shit. I ain't had none of that shit. We just gonna make some noise.
Hey, louder. What did you do wrong?
He said I ain't put grease on my pads.
Holy shit. Shit about to sound like an old ass Civic.
For real? So I gotta take him back, I'm about to
scream at them hoes. It ain't gonna be the supercharger.
Bruh. Oh my God. Damn, so I gotta take them back out? I don't want them to be squealing. No, I ain't putting no grease on shit. I just put them in. Oh my God. So should I just snap them back off real quick? I'll get back to you after I got done put the grease on them damn pads and shit. Make sure y'all put grease on the back of y'all. I'm about to take them right back off, man. I'm gonna get back to you after I'm done doing that. All right, y'all, so we just had to retake the pads and stuff back out, all the hardware to put grease in them. So I can see it's a little dirty right there. Up in there on the back of the pad, you feel me? On this side of the pad, put grease all through there so it don't make no noise. But we gotta get in here and press these brakes and some shit. Tighten up and shit. Now we're gonna put the tires back on. I'm gonna get back to you after we put the tires back on.
Styles, my heart so cold. I fuck a bitch and then I change vibes. I'm a smooth nigga, ain't gotta talk and still get FaceTime. I can take some L's, at the L's down to my last. Had to catch a wave, told my dog don't fucking crash. Mama said put that drink down, but I just poured the 8. I'm dressed down in all Supreme, this shit is not the same. I know some niggas behind that wall, man, this shit is not no gang. Got the toughest niggas, but
Alright, y'all, we finally complete. I look dirty as hell. Look at me and shit.
Bruh.
I look like I'm homeless and shit. I got Yeezys on, dirty shit. I need to go home and take a shower and shit. My muscles out and shit. That's for shit, for real.
Sit your dumb ass down and shit.
Looking stronger than everybody in this bitch. Y'all can see these pads was kind of a little fucked. They was getting there. They wasn't bad though. But you're not supposed to let the pads get real bad so it can mess up your rotor. You're gonna end up like Bobby and shit. Alright, y'all, so right now we on Woody. But y'all see this bitch is packed as bro. We in ski mask, bro. Yeah. How you feeling, Mark? Good as hell. Good as hell. What is CMB? Hell no, they trying to get you to go to jail. See that motherfucker? Right now we at the Brewer drink because y'all see what should I get? Tomorrow and shit up. I'm hungry. Or should you get some food? You get some food? Food. So we shouldn't get none of this? Hell nah. Alright. Nah, so you know what this dude in the bed and shit. We gonna go get some food and shit. What food you want?
It don't matter.
Lame ass nigga, cuz. Fuck out of shit. There's hella cars outside, man. Alright, little crack. Alright. Oh shit! You heard that bitch? That bitch talk about. That bitch sounds good. Appreciate it. Shit, no, no, nigga, word, shit.
Word.
What the fuck? Oh! You got the car, you gotta hit that nigga. Bro, she said her fat ass right there and shit. Move! Look, she got her fat ass right there, look. That is stupid. Appreciate it.
Hello, motherfucker.
Big black ass. He trying to blow my eardrums out. He trying to blow my eardrums out. That nigga tweaking, man. There you go. Oh my God, hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. What up? Oh, they got this blocked off too? How the fuck supposed to get up in there? They got security guard. Damn! I'm just trying to go to Meyer.
Bruh. Gang, our job ain't that serious.
I'm just trying to go to Meyer, gang. What up? Is there any way to get in there?
Huh?
I say, is there any way to get in there?
They shut down the parking. You have,
So what, we can't go to Meyer or any like food restaurant right there?
huh?
The food restaurants right there. We can't
No,
go
you
there?
have to find a place to park and walk.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
What these little niggas on like fuck a hot box, that strike, I'm about to chase these niggas down. Drop a diss that made me crash, check this go, you niggas down. Ride nigga strike is hot as hell, I'm finna get it gone. Fucking hit that nigga down.
Bring that bitch up, okay? This is some ties. Oh, come on, bro. You a burger, bro. Come on. Oh yeah! Let me see some ties. Let me see some ties. He gonna crash that. Oh, these niggas bored as hell, bro. These niggas is bored. You a burn out! I'm walking the cameraman down. I'm like, what the? We got a little bro walking down.
Yo!
We got set up by some we got some set up by supporters, gang. We gotta get the y'all.
Who's this really of Oh my God. That was my down. I ain't gonna lie. It was like this, bro. He really got that egg on him. Cause I was getting hit and I'm running. I already started running before y'all.
Hey,
Fucking since I say, he on that thing, he ain't even know where it was.
we're gonna try to get the reggaeton.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that'd be